Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Wednesday live session. Another 45 minutes to go for end of the day session. Let us quickly look into the Nifty chart. Nifty yesterday made a high at 17,822 and from there on it came back and closed at around 17,776. If you see for last couple of days, Nifty has been in good uptrend from the lows of 17,633 to the highs of 17,822, which means about 190 points movement in 2 days we have seen in Nifty. And today again it has tried to make one comeback. Today it opens at around 17,780 and takes support at yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was 17,732. Right, so today if you see the low 17,722, which means it has taken support at yesterday's low, and from there on, from the lows of 17,722 it has gone up to 17,820 and currently trading at 17,790 levels. So Nifty has been very resilient, very upbeat. There is not much volumes, but there is not much volatility also. Generally the up move will come with very smooth volatility, so it won't be very choppy. That is witnessed in the last 2 days also, and even today. Today, after having taken the support at yesterday's low, it has traveled about 100 points. But one of the important thing to notice is it has actually taken, or it has it has not been able to convincingly go above yesterday's high. Though it took support at yesterday's low, it has not been able to cross yesterday's high of 17,822, and today it has topped out at around 17,820, which means just 2 to 3 points below yesterday's high. Looks like it has topped out, and probably there might be signs of trend reversal coming in. So probably tomorrow for the monthly expiry you need to be looking out for more of short trades than on the long trades, or it might even give one big push on the higher side. We don't know. Based on the data tomorrow we will be able to make some inference, but for now it looks like one of the very critical thing was it has taken at yesterday's low. It has taken the support at yesterday's low, but it has failed to cross yesterday's high, which means some amount of exhaustion is visible today in the market with respect to Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty opens below yesterday's low. Yesterday and day before yesterday, if you see, from the lows of 42,280, Bank Nifty has traveled up to 42,852, almost about 600 points up move in the last 2 days. After having done a high of 42,852 yesterday, it has closed at 42,660, and today it opens around yesterday's close, comes down to 42,450, and from there on it has been rising. But again, this also has not crossed yesterday's high. You can see here the real buying will come in this Bank Nifty only above 42,852. Today if you notice, it has topped at 42,815, which means it has made a lower high in Bank Nifty also. This is a significant observation for you to frame up your mind for the coming expiry session. What you need to keep in mind tomorrow when you enter into the expiry session at 9:15, keep in mind Nifty and Bank Nifty both have made lower lows, which means it has attempted to go higher, but it has failed to cross the day's high, and after that it has been trading around the highs, or it has come down a little bit and it has closed at around 42,750 in case of Bank Nifty, and in case of Nifty it would be 17,790 levels. Both, what you need to observe is it tried to make a pullback from yesterday's low. It went up, but it has failed to cross yesterday's high, and it is trading just below the highs which is made today, which is also happens to be lower than yesterday's high. So you need to be keeping these data points in your mind for tomorrow's expiry and trade accordingly. In my opinion, both Nifty and Bank Nifty today have shown the signs of exhaustion, and probably it is topping out. It's very clear. Otherwise, today it would have made one more new high. Nifty and Bank Nifty have been making continuous highs in recent past. You can see here from the lows of 831 on Bank Nifty daily charts, it has come up to 42,850, and you can see the trend here, like each day it keeps making newer highs, and then it just here for 4-5 days it was within small down range, but again once again it picked up. But it is today for the first time, though it is ending up as a green candle, what we need to notice it has not crossed yesterday's high, and this is a significant observation which will help for us in tomorrow's trading session. So this is with respect to both Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. We will quickly look into some of the we have not seen Adani for quite some time. Let us see what's happening in Adani Group stocks, ACC for that matter. Okay, so recently it has made a high at 1750, and after that it is in the consolidation range, and once again if it closes above or crosses 1750, then you can think of entering into long positions in ACC. Adani Enterprises on the intraday chart, yesterday it made a high at 1920, and after that it has significantly come down to 1849 by the time it closed yesterday. Today again, it opened from the lows of 1825. It has tried to go higher. It has made a high of 1877, but the pullback has been fizzled out. So yesterday's high of 1919 will remain there for some time. Today it has made a lower high, which means there is no major buying that will emerge anytime soon. So you need to keep in mind these levels might change in the coming days, but for tomorrow and day after, keep in mind 1919 as the level to be watched on the long side. Well, this is Adani Ports. Yesterday made a high of 683 from the lows of 655 in the recent past. That was day before yesterday on April 24th. It has made a high of 683, and yesterday after making a high of 683 has come down to 671, and it has closed at around 671. Today it has continued yesterday's fall from 683 onwards. Today it opens around yesterday's close and continuously goes down to 662, which means compared to yesterday's high 20 rupees down, and compared to today's high another 10 rupees down. After that a kind of pullback attempt was made from 662 onwards, but it has gone only up to 669. So again you can see here there is exhaustion, and more downside might be coming up in Adani Ports. Ambuja Cement currently in the uptrend has been making higher highs every day from April 21. You can see here 380, 381, 383, 387. Today's high is 389. Today one more high has been made at 389, and from there on very quickly it has come down to 385. So probably this stock also, though it has made a new high today, maybe it is exhausting, depends on the close. Depending on where exactly it closes today, we will be able to decipher something for tomorrow's trading, whether it has seen some exhaustion and is it ready to go down, or it might once again come back and make new highs for one more day. So this is with respect to Ambuja Cement. Let us see some of the steel stocks also. Jindal Steel is in an uptrend, has opened at around 562, has been trying to make a pullback, but it is nowhere near yesterday's high of 575, or today's high is 575, sorry, and yesterday's high of 581. So this is clearly very weak stock. You can see here first candle has broken down everything for last 3-4 days it has broken down all the lows for the last 4 days, and today on an intraday time frame, if even though the pullback has been significant, once again if it comes down to 562, then you are into the sell mode in this Jindal Steel. JSW Steel also in uptrend, but it is making new lower levels. 712 is the sell level and 731 is the next buy level. SAIL, not much price action here today. It is in a very narrow range of 80.7 to 81.5. Within 70 paisa range this stock has been trading today. Tata Steel again made a low of 105.80 and made a high of 106.95. So just about 1 rupee 5 paise movement in this stock also, not much movement. Overall, both Nifty, Bank Nifty and most of the stocks have been in a very small price action. I wouldn't say in a range, it is not in a range, but it is in a very small price action and very limited volumes. So this is with respect to the Bank Nifty chart. Made a lower low at 815, currently trading at 42,740. And this is the chart of Nifty, made a lower low at 17,819 and currently trading now at 17,788. So this is with respect to today's chart analysis. If you are liking the content, do share the page or channel to your fellow traders also. Come in more participation to watch the live sessions. Also, if you are interested in learning the mechanics of stock markets, then you can join or enroll for the Trading for Living programs. For more details, you can get in touch with